Now let us discuss 1 to 4. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in lutetium 71, 175 respectively are. Here you have to calculate protons, neutrons and electrons. Lutetium 75, 175. We know that this can be written in general form. Lutetium Z, here A. Here Z means atomic number, A means mass number. You know that atomic number of lutetium is 71, then its electrons are also 71. Here you know that the number of electrons is equal to number of protons. By knowing this, here the number of electrons are 71, the number of protons are also 71. Now let us verify the given options. Here protons 71 and electrons 71. Here first one and last one having 71. Okay. This satisfies the above condition. Here 104. This does not satisfy the above condition. That's why option 2 is eliminated. Here 71 presents are adjacent. That's why option 3 is also eliminated. Here only 171 is present. So option 4 is also eliminated. Now let us calculate the number of neutrons. We know that number of neutrons equal to mass number. That means A minus atomic number. That means Z. Here mass number is 175 minus 71. It becomes 104. The number of neutrons are 104. So our answer is A is our correct answer.